Hello, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to scrape some data from the website using some libraries in Python. I am going to be guiding you step by step how we are going to perform this task. So for this task, we want some libraries which I have already installed, but I am going to show you how to install them. So the libraries are requests. So the request is a module and it helps us to send request to a server. Okay, we also need beautiful soup for this. So from bs4 import beautiful soup. So I'm going to show you how to install these dependencies. So pip install requests. This would grab the requests package and it would install it, and pip install beautiful soup 4. Type it exactly like this. So both of these packages are installed. We are going to scrape this website, which is codes2scrape.com. So it contains some codes here, some thoughts, and we are going to scrape these thoughts from this website. Okay, so the URL is this. The URL is this, and we want to scrape the second page. Okay, and we want to scrape these things. So to scrape something from a web page, we can use the CSS selector. CSS selectors are used to style elements of the web page, and through the CSS selectors we can target those elements and we can extract the text from them. So right click on the thing that you want to extract and go to the inspect, and from the inspect you can see that this is a span element with a class text. So this is the attribute of this span element. So span and the attribute is text. Okay, so now we can use that to extract that data. Okay, so we are going to create a response object which would be assigned to requests.get. So .get is a method in the requests library, requests module, and we are going to pass in the URL here, and we are going to get the content of this page. Okay, after getting this content, we are going to parse it using the beautiful soup library. Okay, so the beautiful soup library would take the response object that came back from this request and the parser, the type of the parser. So html.parser, we would use the default parser here which Python provides, and this html.parser would parse the HTML so that we can grab the text out of it. Now the soup object would contain some methods like soup.findAll is one of the methods. Now we already know the CSS selector for our text, so we just have to put that. So here the name of the element that we want to find on the page, and in the attrs we are going to provide a dictionary. Okay, so in the dictionary we are going to provide class, and the class attribute is equal to text here. So we have to just put text here. So this would give us a list of thoughts. Okay, now this soup.findAll would give us a list. We can iterate over this list. So for element in list of thoughts, and we are going to print the text contained in this, and we are going to print out the text contained in those in the element. Okay, so let us do it. So as you can see, we have successfully extracted this all the thoughts from that second page. We can also check it whether it is correct or not. So it takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends. So let us check. So it takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends, by J.K. Rowling. So this thought we got here. So we have successfully scraped a page from this website using the requests library in Python for sending the request to the server, and by using the beautiful soup parser find all method. So this is today's lesson. Thanks for joining.